Wow. Look at those stars in the sky. I could look at that all day. Okay, that's enough. Let's roll the intro for the last time of Vlogmas this year. Merry Christmas! Welcome to the channel. Today's video, it's a little bit bittersweet, guys. Today's video, we're playing the Vlogmas intros and outros and everything Vlogmas themed. And everything Vlogmas themed for the last time of 2024, guys. And it is Christmas today. Merry Christmas, guys. I hope you all had an amazing holiday, and I hope you have an amazing New Year and had an amazing Christmas Eve. And if anybody out there caught Santa Claus, leave it down in the comments below. And I'd like to see what old Santa Claus is up to recently. I made you guys a promise in the beginning of this month, and I told you I was going to give you guys a Vlogmas series throughout the entire month of December until Christmas Day. I can't believe I actually pulled this off. After I made the first video and uploaded it, I was thinking to myself, I was like, is this too much? Am I overextending myself? Like, can I actually pull this off? And I was starting to question myself, starting to doubt myself. I was like, we still have 12 more videos to go, and December, guys, this month here, this December was definitely up there with one of the most challenging months I've ever had. And I still can't believe, like, we're here filming the 13th video for Vlogmas. Sometimes I was making videos and I was just like, man, isn't it annoying how some things can just get in the way of a video? Like, sometimes I was there making a video and I was thinking in my head, am I gonna have to postpone this video up to 12 to 24 hours later from when it's supposed to be uploaded? But I couldn't do that, and I didn't want to do that. That would literally be like failing the challenge, failing the gift. So I powered through, we multitasked, we got it done, we got the videos out. And part of the reason is because I really did love it, and I really did want to I wanted to give you guys a gift that you would remember. Because this, to me, guys, like, I love making the videos and I want to give back to you guys. But for me, these videos, other than your guys' sweet, beautiful, positive comments, which is priceless, the videos didn't benefit me in any other way. I didn't earn any revenue from this. There is no AdSense on my YouTube channel. I didn't get anything from the videos. I purely did it because out of love. I just purely did it out of love. And the videos came out absolutely sick. Can we just talk about, like, we uploaded 13 videos throughout the whole month, including this one. We have 12 of the thumbnails on the screen right now. And can we just talk about that thumbnail game? Is crazy. Leave it down in the comments below, guys, what you think of the thumbnails recently, because I personally love the thumbnails and I think they've been looking pretty sick. I did the Vlogmas purely out of love for you guys, and that's the best part about it, I think, because it purely came from the heart. There was nothing else that influenced it. No money influenced me to do this. I didn't do this for the revenue or anything like that. I've done over 180 videos on this YouTube channel. Not a single penny earned from any of those videos. It was all out of pure just love and enjoyment and your guys' beautiful motivation and positive comments. That's what keeps me going. But I love this, and one day I know it's going to pay off, and it eventually will turn into my dream job, which is going to be absolutely insane. And the cool part about it is it's not even going to feel like a job. But I seriously cannot believe that we actually pulled this off. Like, we did a video every other day, all the way from December 2nd till Christmas. We did a video and we got them out every single day on the promised dates that I said they were going to be posted. I was going to the shop every single day. It was a bit more of an inconvenience because some unexpected things had to happen. Like, the cars had to be moved out from here, taken to the shop. So I had to go to the shop to move all the cars. I cannot believe, despite all the challenges this month and all the other things behind the scenes, I cannot believe actually made this happen. But some of you might be thinking, like, Ryan, how is it possible for you to make almost 200 videos on YouTube? Of course, we've made other videos on Instagram and TikTok and all these other places, but you're like, how could you be able to make so much content for so many years? It's been so many years of me doing this and still keep going at it and still love it, even though you haven't earned anything from it. How can this be? Yeah, it's true. A lot of videos have flopped, and of course it's a disheartening and disappointing feeling to see all your hard work kind of flop a little bit. That's not a very good feeling. But sometimes it does feel that way. Stuff will flop and you'll see it flop, and most of the time it does flop. We haven't really had many anything really blow up, but I'm sure one day it will. But you could see it as that. You could get disappointed about it. You could be like, oh, it's flopped, I'm just gonna give up. But the way I see it is, I see it as me trying, which is, in some cases, people don't even try. So trying is such a big deal. and you're just gonna keep trying, because one of these days it's gonna work, and you're gonna get it. It's gonna work. I can promise you that, as long as you keep trying. So for me, I love doing it, and that's worth it already. And you don't fail unless you give up, so just never give up until you win. And one of these days, I promise guys, it'll be more than worth it. But when you love something, you know, you're unstoppable. Like, motivation is free. So if you love something, and clearly, like, you'll know when you love something. As for me, been doing this for so many years, still here, still doing it. Obviously, I love it. And I never can ever picture myself a life without any of this stuff, and I can't picture a life without you guys. So literally, if you're unstoppable, you know, motivation's free, and your love and your passion for things, that's all, you know, that all comes pure of heart, that comes out of your heart. So you're unstoppable, and you will get it. But as far as Vlogmas goes, guys, I had an absolute blast this month, and I definitely know, maybe, you know, I'm definitely considering, I want to do other stuff like this throughout the year. I want to do videos like this. This was a really fun series, and I really enjoyed it, and it was super fun. It is going to feel really strange and weird to not have to worry about doing an upload in this sense, with the Christmas hat and, you know, getting the camera out, having video ideas ready. That's gonna feel really weird. I just want to be more out there. I already have plans for a bunch of other accounts and stuff, so I want to do all these amazing things, because it's honestly, you know, the perfect time is now. And this was really fun to do, and I very pleasantly surprised myself with being able to actually do this. I didn't think I would be able to. Once I said it, and once I posted the first video, I started second guessing myself, I'm not gonna lie, but I was like, well, second guessing myself or not, I made the promise, and I'm gonna keep my word for it. And here we are. We kept the promise. We kept the promise, and we got the videos out, and the videos came out absolutely fire too, guys. But we do have a bunch of other amazing things in the works. It's snowboard season right now. For those of you who know, I do a little bit of snowboarding. I do have to see about going snowboarding. I haven't actually had the chance to go this month, because we were doing Vlogmas here, and with all the other stuff happening behind the scenes, so I definitely should plan something. Maybe I'll make a video about that. Maybe it'll be on this channel. Maybe I'll post it somewhere else. But whatever it is that you guys want to do in your lives, just know all you gotta do is start. Don't wait for the perfect time. The timing couldn't be more perfect than it is right now. You just gotta start, and I promise you, you will get there. You just gotta keep going at it. Don't let anybody get to you. Don't let any of the hate comments get to you. During this Vlogmas series, we got plenty of hate comments, but for the people leaving hate comments while watching Vlogmas videos, this whole series was a gift for me to you guys. So you're basically just hating on a Christmas gift, which isn't cool. You're probably on the naughty list for that. But just, you know, just stay awesome, guys. Chase your dreams, and I hope that I can show you that, you know, that you can chase your dreams. And I'm hoping that I'm showing you guys that, you know, because there's so much more to me and to what we do than meets the eye, and there's so much more that I want to do with this channel, and all we got to do is just keep going at it, guys, and I promise you, we will get there. So just do what you want to do with your life. Don't let anybody run your life for you. You don't have to have everything planned out 100%. The best part about it is the surprise that come along the ways, because those are the things you don't expect. They're kind of the parts that make the journey, and it's really fun to go through them, because a lot of the surprises that you get can actually be good surprises. So without any further ado, guys, I think this may be the last video of the year. And we might, who knows, we might drop something before the year ends, but as of now, guys, I'm going to drop a dad joke right now, but I am going to see you guys next year, as of now. But I do have some plans, and it honestly could be very likely that we might have a couple more videos before the year's actually over. So who knows, but as of now, it's looking like I will see you guys next year. I hope you all had an amazing holiday season. I hope you had a white Christmas. I was surprised because today, we actually did get a little bit of snow. It wasn't like a white Christmas, but I was surprised to see a little bit of snow out there. And it was pretty cool to see all that. I hope Santa Claus came. I hope Santa Claus gave you nice toys. I hope you spent it with your family and friends and had a great, amazing time, made a bunch of beautiful memories. And if you don't celebrate, then I just hope you had an amazing day. But if you do, let me know down below in the comments how your day went. But thank you all so much for watching today's Vlogmas video. This is the end of the first Vlogmas series done by yours truly here, and I had a whole lot of fun. I hope you guys had a whole lot of fun as well. Let me know what you guys thought of the videos, what you guys thought of the thumbnails. Let me know what you guys thought about the entire gift I gave to you guys this year. My gift from me to you. Huge shout out to my brother as well, guys. He helped me out a lot. There were some videos that were just done with me, but some videos I did with him as well, and it was super fun. But holy cow, guys, Vlogmas was insane. It was a whole lot of fun. I can't wait to do more things like this with you guys. I can't wait to like set up events and set up all these amazing things. You know, even drop a website where we could do cool things. Like, I just can't wait. There's so many amazing things I want to do. And literally, this is just the beginning. This is gonna feel very strange, but we're literally about to do our holiday outro for the last time, guys. So if you guys liked the Vlogmas series, or if you like me or anything that we do around here, then be sure to go down below, hit the like button while you're at the shiny subscribe button that you should click. And I'll have my Instagram channel linked down below as well, guys. Go ahead, check that out, and drop a follow if you do. And there's a little banner right here too that has it as well. Chase your dreams. Don't let anything stop you. Do what you love. If you love it, then you're gonna get it. I promise you, you're gonna get it. There's no perfect time to start chasing your dreams than start now. I hope that I'm an example of somebody who could show you to chase your dreams and never give up. No matter how many times something may flop or fail, just keep going at it, because if you want it bad enough, I promise you'll get it. The only thing you have to do, guys, you just have to start.